Hello students, here's another example from homework number 10. This is question number 8. A particular fruit's weights are normally distributed with a mean of 590 grams and a standard deviation of 36 grams. If you pick 8 fruits at random, then 5% of the time their mean weight will be greater than how many grams? So, in this question, I know I'm dealing with the distribution of the sample mean because first I have a sample, which is 8 fruits, and then 5% of the time their mean weight will be greater than how many grams. So that is my second clue that I'm dealing with the distribution of the sample mean. So let me draw that question right here. So I have the distribution, the normal distribution, and I'm looking for greater than 5%. So I'm looking for how many grams right here, greater than how many grams. Their mean is greater than how many grams. And this region is given to me, which is 5% or 0.05. So to find that number, I will use the norm inverse. But first I need a mean and I need the standard deviation. I know the mean for the distribution of the sample mean is equivalent to the population mean, which is 590 grams. The standard deviation of the distribution of the sample mean is equivalent to the population standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. I know that the sample size is equal to 8 from the question because I'm selecting 8 fruits. And the standard deviation of the population is 36. So I'm going to say this is equivalent to 36 divided by square root of 8. I'm going to compute that right here. So this is equal to 36 divided by square root of 8. So that is the standard deviation of the distribution of the sample mean, and that is the one that I'm going to use. Now, to find that x bar, to find that, I'm going to use the function norm.inverse. But I will need the area to the left of that number to find it. So I can't use this area right here. I must have the area to the left of that, just like we did in week number 9. So I will need this region. This region is equal to 1 minus 0.05, which is equal to 0.95. So that is what I will be using. This is equal to norm inverse of 0.95, comma the mean, which is 590, comma the standard deviation, which is the new standard deviation we computed, and the answer is going to be 610. The question is asking me to round to the nearest gram, so this is 611 grams. The answer is 611 grams, and the answer is correct. I hope this video helped you understand this type of question, and I will see you in a different one.